morning, students. Students, in last class, I have discussed about the seminar as an innovation in biology technique. Today we have the some two topics, workshop or conference, regarding this. So let's start from the workshop. In a workshop, on the other hand, participants play a more active role, and there are times when personalized help and assistance is forthcoming from the teacher. Individual attention on the participant is possible because typically in a workshop the number of participants is kept low purposefully. Lecture play a larger role in workshop, and more attention is given to impart the knowledge through practical method. Workshops are held mostly at places that are open and more spacious than what are required for seminars. This is necessary to let the participants have a clear view of the technique that is being demonstrated by teacher. Now, question is that what is the difference between seminar and the workshop? Seminar we have studied in earlier. Seminar and workshops are short-term training courses designed to help working people enhance their skills. Seminars are lecture-oriented and better situated when the number of participants is large. Personalized attention is not possible in seminar. Though teacher can make session lively with their skills. Workshops are more in the manner of demonstration of techniques by the instructions and have lesser number of participants. Workshops are more interactive. Personal interaction with the lecturer is possible in a workshop due to the small number of participants. However, this is not possible in a seminar due to the large number of participants. From the two workshops are usually longer. They often last for 1 or 2 days, or maybe little more depending on the requirement. Seminars are not so long. They normally range from 90 minutes up to 3 hours. But there are one-day seminar too. So seminar often have more than 100 participants. Workshop purposefully have fewer participants. That is usually 25 participants or less than it. Questions come to the end of a presentation in a seminar. In a workshop, questions get attention as they emerge. So don't know to have wait till the end of the question. So these was all difference about the seminar and the workshop. Now next is topic conference. Conference technique has acquired important place in different areas to discuss the solve the problem: social, political, health, religious, education. During 1930, conferences were organized to discuss interdisciplinary problem. During 1940, conferences were organized to discuss the contemporary problem in the different areas. As a result of this technique, a new direction was given to research activities. During 1950, subjects conferences were encouraged. Now, meaning and definition of conferences. A conference is a meeting of individuals called together to engage in discussion with the aim of accomplishing a limited task with restricted time. It is a meeting of large group organized to discuss current problem to provide a workable solution. Objective of conferences. The objective of conferences are to develop cognitive and affective aspect. The conferences are organized to study the specific problem of nation, society, religion, science and education. Now, here are procedure of conference. What procedure we have to follow? A conference usually consists of 20 or 30 participants, 2000 in one meeting. Conferences are organized periodically or annually. Members of the organization and experts of related field are invited in conferences. Conference is organized by the president or local organizing secretary. The topic of the conference is broad in nature and related to current problems of the area. Papers are invented from the participants on different aspects of the topic. Cycloslide copies of each paper are prepared. The program of the date, time, venue of conference is finalized and communicating to the participants along with the notice about organizing the conference. Thank you.